Srimati Aparupa Potaji.
Thank you, sir, for giving me an opportunity to speak on this bill, sir. So the bill has been listed for the business so many times, yet it never came up for discussion. सिर्फ तारीख पे तारीख आता गया, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, देर आई दुरुस्त आई सरकार को. This bill is a very noble. They have brought it with a very noble object, but it's a decade late. The 249 Law Commission report that made the recommendation of repealing the Legal Practitioners Act 1879 was laid in October 2014. Hence, it took for this government 10 years to adopt this recommendation, and this should be brought much earlier. Even when the government has adopted the recommendation, they have done it in a half-heartedly manner. I have some suggestions, though my learned advocate, my senior member have already spoken from my party, Kalyanda have already spoken, but I have some suggestions. The government should have at least come out with some sort of awareness campaign about the practice of tout and it being illegal. Unfortunately, a common man, a sadharan public, who have a legal case to fight may not be able to identify a tout, although and end up by paying hefty fees to him. क्योंकि उसको ये लगता है कि अगर इसके पास जाएंगे तो शायद मुझे जल्द से जल्द इंसाफ मिल जाएगा. तो ये चीज जो है, इस चीज पर एक क्लियरिटी होना चाहिए. द गवर्नमेंट यूजुअली एडवोकेट्स टू गो डिजिटल. ये गवर्नमेंट हमेशा कहते हैं डिजिटल इंडिया, सब कुछ डिजिटली. बट व्हाट हैपेंड इन दिस सिनेरियो? व्हाई कुड the government not make a single database when all could be uploaded their tout list? इनको tout list को upload कर देना चाहिए था courts में. This should have helped to mitigate this practice at a larger level and would limit this practice at scale. I beg to this government to make the judicial system more accessible and more inclusive. I am sure the entire House would like to see more robust and equitable justice system. The legal fees taken in throughout the country is not very regulatory. One end, few lawyers who charge a very high amount of fees up to 50 lakh rupees hearing. On the other end, the member of the legal aid cell are paid a marginal fees. In fact, a per capita spending by the government on legal aid is of lowest of the world, just 75 paisa. This is extremely concerning, and I would urge the government to make the system more equitable for all of us. As a policy maker, it is our responsibility to ensure that all the wheels of justice turn smoothly and fairly. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.